Hello and welcome back to another instructional assembly video. In this video we're going to be showing how to build the camera portion of our buoy project. It's quite a straightforward build. In this build we're using a USB extension cable to allow the buoy to float up the surface while the camera is moored on the ocean floor. However, this is an optional step. I think that many people will just want a way to clamp the camera to the housing in some way, which is very straightforward. However, I'm just going to show the extra steps needed to use the USB extension as well. There's only one required 3D printed part for this build, and that's an internal camera mount that acts as an adapter between the USB camera and our GoPro housing. So you can of course get that off our GitHub and then print it yourself or outsource it to a third party, and it will cost about $5, not including shipping and handling.